On the night of the rains, water was oozing out from the sky's swollen stitches. A rash developed across the meaning of the heavens. The wooden floors of my attic place strove for a deeper tone. A hoarse calling grew louder as I paced, trying to see rain. I followed the gravity of the treasure hunt, where each bounce meant a slap across a tabletop of tension, where the window basted winter black rain, and silence paid another call. I am as much as this water flower, rain. I am as impressionable as the city that stops for rain. And I lack the same substance that dooms water to be a soft pillow feather. Accepting this, I may still shatter this thing, march routine existence. By dabbling in destruction,